Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here, and welcome to Cook and Share. I'm a fan of a number of things, and number one is chicken, salsa, sour cream, and simple dishes. And I decided to put this together, this 30-minute one-pan Mexican chicken. Now I'm calling it Mexican chicken, but in no means is it authentic. So if you're Mexican, don't get insulted. So let me walk you through this. So to kick things off, guys, what I've got here are 4 chicken breasts that I've kind of cubed up and put into a Ziploc bag. And these are boneless, skinless, but you can use whatever you like. And then I've got some taco seasoning that I've made from scratch. The smell is so good. So I'm going to add this to the bag. And this is a pouch. You can buy this too in just about any grocery store. Seal the Ziploc bag up. And we're going to do a shake, rattle, and roll. And just kind of squish it together until the chicken is completely coated. Now the chicken is coated with that delicious taco seasoning. I'm going to add some oil to a preheated pan and add our chicken in. And we're just going to go ahead and fry this until it's cooked through. Now our chicken is cooked through, and this has been about, I'd say 10 to 12 minutes. I'm going to add in a cup of salsa and a 1/4 cup of sour cream. And of course we're going to give this a stir, and we're going to bring it to a boil. And then I'm just going to reduce the heat and simmer it for another few minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and plate this up. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. And the great thing is you can take some of that yummy sauce and put it over a bed of rice. Give it a squeeze of lime, just to bring out that acidity. And then garnish it up with some fresh cilantro. You don't have to use cilantro, you can use just about anything you've got in hand. And there you have it, guys, our simply delicious and easy 30-minute one-pan Mexican chicken. So let's go ahead and give this a taste test. So good, guys. The chicken is tender. The simple combination of salsa and sour cream and the taco. So good. You got to try this. And the great thing is you can serve this up with rice. You can put it in a tortilla. So good. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool recipes over there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. And see you next time.